Meaning of exasperation.
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 Exasperation. Exasperation refers to a feeling of extreme annoyance, frustration, or irritation that results from a situation or person repeatedly causing difficulties or showing an unwillingness to cooperate. The result of exasperation can manifest in various ways, such as raised voices, angry outbursts, or even physical reactions like stomping feet or slamming objects. It can also lead to strained relationships and negative outcomes in personal and professional settings, often hindering effective communication and productivity. In short, exasperation is a powerful emotion that can have significant consequences for individuals and groups alike.